Alright, so this is top down. So at cruising speed, it's not too bad. A lot of these little back roads are, 50 miles an hour, but the drone's pretty rough, I won't lie. I'm running no cat, factory size piping from the downpipe on back. Still have the stock resonator in place and just the Roadster Sport 3 exhaust. No baffle. With the baffle, it was really high pitched, and I say really, I really wasn't a fan of it. Without the baffle, it's actually a little bit quieter, and just an overall deeper tone. So with the top up, it's definitely drone city, but then again, it's also got like maybe 4 miles on it. So of course, like any muffler, it'll break in. But let's get a good couple pulls, get on the interstate here. You can hear it, it's pretty loud right now. So, here we go. Slow it down so we can get some sound clips cruising at 70 miles an hour. So that's with the top down. It's really not bad. You should be able to hear me talking. I mean, I'm sitting back in the seat. Phone's on the steering wheel. So we'll jump off the interstate here, and I'll get back on and put the top up. So yeah, see you in a second. All right, so this is with the top up and the windows up. That was wide open pulls on every shift. It's really stock miata, stock airbox, stock header, stock everything except for the exhaust. So this is cruising speed. We'll get it up to 70, just so you can hear it. But it's sorry, it's all bouncy, but it's already getting better. It's definitely better, than it was 5 or 6 miles ago. But I'm really a slow driver, so I keep everything around 60, 65. But you'll hear it coming to a stop. It's drone city. we'll film the rest of the way home. So just cruising, lugging along in 5th gear. It's a little lesson to be desired, but I'm kind of an old popo. I like a quieter car. It's just, I've got, you know, like 167,000 miles or something like that on this car. Yeah, you can kind of sort of see it, but the factory muffler needed to be changed, bad. So, anyway, yeah, that's the Sportster 3. I mean, I'm happy with it. It definitely loads better. It's the actual tip coming out of the canisters. It doesn't face straight back like the factory does. It actually kicks off to the side. Not bad, but it is at an angle. It doesn't come straight out of the bumper, which I'm not necessarily a fan of. I love drift cars. I really do. I'm not a big fan of doing it personally. I'm more of an autocross guy, but it's definitely more their style with that kind of flare out. But, you know, it is what it is. So, anyway, hope y'all like it.